One is content or the logical validity. The next one is criterion related or the concrete validity. Third one is the construct validity. What we mean by content validity is that the items are adequate and representative about the concept. There are two aspects in it. One is the experts validate that, and second is by the face of it, by looking at the items, we can validate it. So that is the content or the logical validity. The second is the criterion or the concrete validity. That's the extent items relates to an outcome. So the extent could be the present, that is the concurrent. It is the status quo of the items in the instruments at a given time, that it measures the construct. The second is that we can compare the measure with an outcome achieved at a later time. That's the predictive validity. So the two aspects there are concurrent validity and predictive validity. The third of validity is the construct validity. It is that testifies the theories around which the test is designed. There are two under construct validity. Convergent is where the two measurements of a given construct are related. The second is the divergent validity, where the two unrelated measures, one related, the other one is not related to the construct or unrelated. So that's about validity. When we analyze items, measurement items, we also have to look at the reliability, that is the consistency of these items as a measure of the construct. The first one is stability, whether the measure remains same over time. So there are two ways of looking at it. One is test and retest, where items consistently measure the construct over time. The second is the parallel form, that is, it consistently measures when we form items into various forms, we split into various forms, consistently measures the construct over time. The second aspect of reliability is internal consistency. We can look at as inter-item and split half. In the inter-item, items independently measure the same construct, and that measure is called count-back alpha. Split half is we split the items into two halves. It could be in various ways of two halves, and measures the construct, and it should consistently measure the construct. So both validity and reliability are the two important aspects of items analysis